In this video, we're going to go over the Done For You Ads Pro version, okay? So if you're familiar with the simple ads, which is the little brother of this one, this is the big brother, and this is the upgrade. So you can see that it's a lot different than the other one, right? So this one has the exact sizes that you need for different types of platforms, okay? Plus a lot more templates to choose from. So we have Facebook right here, Instagram, Google AdWords, LinkedIn, Microsoft Audience, Yahoo Gemini, Twitter, and AdMob. Okay, so let's talk about the tabs up here. You have Dashboard, which is what we're looking at here, and you have Cloud Files. So once you pick a template in here and you edit it and save it, then it's going to show up in this tab here. You click that tab, and that's where your templates are going to be saved. Okay, and over here you're going to see your name with a cogwheel. If you click that, you can sign out right here. And if you click My Profile, you can change your password in here if you want to. And make sure to click the Change Password button so that it'll make it live. All right. So what I'm going to do in here, I want to just choose, I'm going to go to Facebook. It's the first one here. I'm just going to choose Post Ad here. And we're going to use the live editor just so I can show you how to use the tools in here. So the tools are going to work the same for any template that you choose, no matter what the platform is. The advantage here is that you're getting the exact size. That way you don't have to worry about that. When you go to upload to that platform, you're going to know what size you got, okay? So let's go ahead and do this one. So as you can see, there's a lot of templates in here to choose from. Okay, so right quick, I want to show you how these layers work. So it's kind of like Photoshop where you have different layers, right? So right here we have 3 text and we have the background. So it would be 1, 2, 3 layers, plus the background would be 4. And the way you see this, as you can see, it looks like this text is, let me go ahead and darken these texts so you can see them better. So let's make this black. And let's grab this one and make it black as well, so we can see it better. Actually, let me make this one red so we can see it on top of that one. So basically, let's find out which one is on top of the other. So so the red text here is first, then WW, then boost is behind. So that would be the layers that these are in, okay? So this would be layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, and then the background layer 4. So if I wanted this to be, let's say if I wanted to boost your business here, let me grab that. If I wanted this one to be layer 1, I would bring to front, okay? And let's see if it's in front of the red. Yes, okay, now it's in front. Let's make sure it's in front of all. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started designing this. So I'm just going to change this text here. This is going to say Whitelabelify launching. All right, and right here, this is going to be my date. So I'm going to put February and Eastern Standard Time. All right, let's change this. I want to go to, I like Poppins. Let's see. Okay, let me fix the February here because it went to lowercase now. All right, that looks better. I'm going to bring this down. Let me move this out of the way for now. Let's bring this down here. And this one right here is going to be the URL, okay? .com. All right, something like that. Okay, let's bring in the box now. So now you see how we edit text, right? Again, to make the size bigger or smaller, we can drag these sliders here. We can use the text slider here if we want to, or we can rotate the text if we need to right here. Once we're done editing the text, you want to click the Done button. Now you can see add text. So if we wanted to add more text, we just click that. It'll pop up over here. We can edit it, change the fonts, the colors, and whatnot. If you don't want it, remove it. Okay, so that's how that works. So let's go to Image tab here. So I want to upload the product box. Here we go. Click it one time, guys. It might take a few seconds for it to load in because it's going to be uploading to the server, and then it can bring it in. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna increase this. I think I like it better. I think I like it better on this side. We can make it kind of bigger. I think that looks pretty cool. Kind of hides a little moon there, but that's fine. I think that looks really nice. So now that we have that here, I think I'm going to do something, maybe make this a little bit bigger. Okay, I think the date is a good size, and I might make this a little bit bigger. So if I was trying to like attract joint venture partners, JVs, I would probably put the JV page URL here, which would be /JV. So let me just do that like so. Okay, so now we're ready. We have everything done. So we went over everything. Let me go ahead and go to the backgrounds tab here. So if you wanted to change the background, just click it, okay, and it's going to change. So some of the backgrounds on some of the templates may not be changeable in the backgrounds tab, but you can always upload your own images to add as a background if you want to. But as you can see, this particular one right here changes the background, all right? So I'm not kind of liking this. I think it needs to come down further. All right, I think that looks pretty good. So one more thing I wanted to do was add our pictures in here. So I went ahead and grabbed it. So I just click it and bring it in here. And here we go. We won't be able to see our names underneath because of that. So the names are kind of light, so you won't be able to see that. But that's fine. I'm just going to put it here. I think it looks pretty cool. Something like that'll work. And then let's save that out. So I'm going to go ahead and save it in the cloud. Whitelabelify launch. Go ahead and submit that. All right, so now you can download this image and upload it to Facebook as a post. So that's about it. That's the way you do it. So again, once you're on the dashboard, you want to re-edit the template that you already had. Click on your cloud files. You can edit the template again or download the PNG. So it'll load it back up. And there you go. If you need to make any changes, you make those changes, click save again, rename that file like version 2, and that's pretty much how you do it. So that's going to wrap up this video on how to use the Pro Ads software.